Hello friend, welcome to Known Unknown. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Capcut for PC version. For this you have to go through Google Chrome, then you have to search Capcut for PC version. After that there will be an interface, then go to Capcut website and download for free version. After that it will take some time and download, then extract that file and install. It will take some time and finally you can access this program. So make sure that you have a good connection in internet. It is actually same to same as like your mobile software. So obviously you can use this mobile app to the PC version, not only as an app, it's as a base of software. So here CapCut is opening. Then there will be some instruction here that you must have to follow to learn about the PC version. So here the CapCut PC is opening. Import materials, then drag and drop, and finally you can import these import this according to your purposes, according to your video quality. So it will really helpful for making video more interesting. So hope you like this video. If you really like this video, make a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.